Do you want these? And these in your Windows 10 PC. So watch this video till the end. To know how to get Windows 11 icons in Windows 10, first of all download this software from the given link in the description. Now double-click on it to start installing it. It will ask for permission. Click on OK to get moving. It will load, and installation wizard will show up. Click on Agreements and then click on Next. Make sure the Patch All Files is enabled and click on Next again. It will ask for making a restore point. Click on Yes. First, it will create a restore point. Then background wallpaper and taskbar will go dark. And it will take 6 to 8 minutes to be completely installed. And I will speed up the video because I know you don't watch the whole video. Finally, it's completely installed. Now you can close the installation wizard. These icons have been changed. Let's see the icons in File Explorer. Nice! These Windows 11 icons look amazing. And all the icons have been changed. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.